guys, and this is my 2020 Road Glide. I put stage 1 on the M8 motor. I got the R1S Big Sucker intake. I kept the stock covering, but I put the Bassani Road Rage 2-in-1, so it's a 2-in-1 system with the dummy pipe on the left side. So here's what it sounds like. So there you have it, my Bassani 2-in-1 Road Rage. They have a nice deep rumble, not too loud. They probably put the baffles in there so it's not too loud and obnoxious, but I like it. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, also hit that notification bell. See ya. Ride safe.